guys, it's Amaya, and today we are at a puppy farm. Well, kind of something like that. And we have to decide on these two puppies. We already made our choice. We're going to be getting orange collar, and that's the blue collar. We're getting this one.
We even have a cage!
He's very playful, and this one is 2.
I'll get
But it was 2 against 1, so we're getting this guy. He's very playful. Oh, he wants you to chase him. Huh?
The Carter was here.
Oh.
He's scared of cars. Because when I ran,
His tail is wagging so much. Oh my God.
because he's happy about he's happy about
And then Adrian is holding this dog.
But,
Come here. Come here. Well, Adrian is a dog attractor. All the dogs love Adrian. They only come to Adrian. And then this guy loves my mom's phone. So.
and this guy loves me too.
Oh no.
Mommy!
What?
The old dog is trying to buy your phone.
Really? Oh my goodness.
He was playing with it.
Give him
Alrighty.
something to play with.
What is today? 30.
Mommy, you want to get it for Christmas?
Yes, it will be ready for Christmas.
I thought we could get this one right now.
Okay, guys. So we got the puppy, but we can't bring him home until December 21st. And
Hi, baby.
I'm so excited because we just got a dog. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this short video. Don't forget to smash that like button, spam those comments, punch the subscribe button, high five the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.